ND News, ND lo que Bota busca.
Un placer inmenso para nós for the ND Productions and Promotion, directamente for the Isla de Corsou, agradecendo a nossos colegas para imediatamente nos iniciar que informação importante for the Isla. Caminha com a nós temos oportunidade para conversar com Oliver Arindel, de Ava Airways, tocante e carta que aguardo mandar para sua persona de estresse blachi em total. Wow! Susie Romer Tessun, quadi di Madesaki.
Well, you know, yesterday when I was on a radio interview, my president gave me a call and he told me we received a letter, and the letter was 13 pages long. So I took the letter and I read the letter, and to be honest with you, the letter is basically saying nothing. 13 pages long of the history of our application for an economic permit, and the letter is basically has not said anything. When I got to the conclusion area of the letter goes back to Minister Jardim's letter, because government is a continuation talking about financial declaration, not financial declaration and source of financial, not your bank account, where you have your bank account or whatnot. There has been a lot of discussion in the community about what is taking place with Ava Airways. I find that we are being challenged unfairly, and I can clearly state that this is a economic discrimination in my point of view. In that letter that we received on yesterday, the minister indicated that what we have provided, or our investors who are investing in our company as a debt financial has provided, is not sufficient. Now, when you say that it's not sufficient and you're giving us 30 days to provide the sufficient information, now I have to wonder what is sufficient. Now, I have a Samsung phone. If I give it to you as a requirement, because the law is saying that you need a phone. In this case, the law is saying that you need to disclose who are your financial investors now and who are going to be your financial investors tomorrow. So if the law is saying, for example, that you need a cell phone, in other words, I give you a Samsung, and if you're saying that the Samsung is not sufficient, one will think that you would then turn around and say, well, Ava, we need an iPhone. In the letter, there is no declaration of what you need. In the letter, it is basically preparing, I think the government is basically preparing its case to basically protect itself from a litigation perspective and a demand of our economic permit. We as Ava Airways is not going to take the government to court to force the judge, to force them to make a decision what is applicable by law. All we're just saying is, listen, if you find that we have not complied with the law, don't help us, deny us. You understand what I'm saying to you? If you think that we have not given the documents that are accountable for our economic permit, deny us the economic permit. Do not write us a 13-page long letter, and in that 13-page long letter, you have not properly described or declare what is it that we are missing.